Hello, this is Mike Reed with a video coming at you January 22nd, 2024. This is going to be a quick one. I'm going to touch on HeatCraft hands-on in-person class in Atlanta, Houston with the Manitowoc class this week. So I'm going to start with the let me start with the Houston class with Manitowoc. So our class is $85. Let's see what we got here. So it is January 23rd, 24th, and 25th. We do not have a half-day class. Ours is from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., which means 8 o'clock class. So you have coffee and donuts. And they wait on the stragglers to get in. They usually start the class about 8. And then if there's not too many questions or whatnot, they usually end it by 1:30. But at the very latest 2, so it's supposed to go until 2. Which I guess we're gonna have lunch. And then this is at the sorry about that. This is at the same place it was not the same place it was last year. I believe the same place it was the year before. They switched between the two. This is it's all the way at the bottom. That's right. Hold on one second. Yeah, at the La Fontaine Banquet Hall. La Fontaine Banquet Hall, Houston, Texas, 77040. Slightly northwest. You do have to contact Baker, and you have to pay. So you can go into any baker, fill out the paperwork, and you pay right there at the register, and then you're all set for class. All right, so that's those 3 days. We do have another event in Texas. That is the 30th and the 30th, 31st, and the 1st, I believe. Hold on. This is for Longview, Texas. Give it a second. Pop it up here. All right. 8 to 4. This is even longer one. 8 to 4 in Longview, Texas. And like they say, you do have to attend the class in order to complete the warranty work on any Manitowoc machine. Meaning that if you have a customer, meaning that if you do have a customer, you're going to need to go to the class in order to get credit. So here's where's this Longview? It's at Turtle Creek, 300 Turtle Creek. And once again, you go to your local baker store, you pay for the class. Yours is $80. You get your books, I don't know if they're doing hats, but you get your books, probably USB. They usually give out some little, some tool, either a screwdriver, flashlights, that kind of thing. Yeah, you're going to get breakfast and lunch. Now, for walk-in training, for all of you that are interested in walk-ins, HeatCraft is doing their in-person training in Atlanta they have, these just came out. So it's a class of 12 people. And right now they say they have 11 available. They have 2 classes that are coming up in February. This is the electrical and refrigeration diagnosis training class. $875, 2 days, starts at 8. Classes will fill up quickly as soon as the word gets out. As soon as the word gets out, these classes will be gone. You have your choice. You have a number of different dates to choose from. They will go fast. So this one is schematics and troubleshooting. It's a good one to take. Then they have another one. They have another one that is a 1-day class in Stone Mountain, Georgia, $450. That is the refrigeration and installation basics. Right? For the new technician. Branching out into refrigeration installation and in the service arena. All right. How to install the HeatCraft products properly. How to gain refrigeration knowledge and important skills. So this is the very first one you're going to need. And it's $450. Once again, they have this is for February 22nd. Once again, they have, I don't know why it's saying session expired. That's because I looked at this a little while ago. This is February 22nd, 2024. Yeah. That's saying my session expired. Then you have the electrical and refrigeration diagnosis 2-day training. And make sure you all are seeing the same thing. Now you go to HeatCraft. TRPD. All right, so you go to the HeatCraft website. Let me see if I can pull this up for you guys. And put the banner across the screen. All right, so there it is at the bottom. It's that's the HeatCraft website. So you go do that HeatCraft.com part, and then you can go to the training section and you'll find where I am right now. And then you'll see that you have the in class. And let me just give you a little quick blast of it. So here are the other classes. So this is the February 20th. Then you have March, April, and May. Since this just hit, see how this goes? They have 12 available. So those other 2 classes I showed you, only 1 person has registered so far. So in these other ones, they have, this is what it looks like. Enroll in the full course, blah, blah, blah. So there's all your options right there. And of course, they have some other ones. They explain what you're going to learn, what you're going to get out of these things, who should attend. But if you have any intentions whatsoever of dealing with walk-ins, especially a lot of you guys have designs on working at grocery stores, you're going to need this one. So the walk-ins are, you don't have to deal with a rack system when it's a walk-in. Now you still have to deal with the fact that it's a remote. 9 times out of 10, the system is going to be mounted onto the roof. In a perfect world, it'd be mounted outside on the ground or on the wall, but we're rarely that lucky. You might have seen some other videos where it was actually in a parking garage where the condenser was mounted. So I didn't have to get onto the roof of that one hotel. But here's where the classes are. If you have any intentions on doing walk-in training this year, if I were you, I would sign up. And these are in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Then they're teaching about the CO2. What is it? Hot gas defrost. Let me see how much this is. There's, well, January passed. Well, let me see what they got for March. So people have already been looking at this in anticipation. So 2 of these seats are already gone. So just that quick. People have been waiting all year to get into these classes, and they will move fast. I didn't get a chance to bring in HeatCraft into the training mix last year due to the fact that all the classes were booked up, so it didn't make any sense for me to bring it up. But now, here you see it. So this is your walk-ins. Once you learn HeatCraft is, I say within the top, it's one of the HeatCraft is one of the top 3 brands of walk-in refrigeration. So once you learn HeatCraft, you'll be able to tackle any walk-in. But of course, they're going to try to indoctrinate you into the HeatCraft way of doing things. So, and HeatCraft encompasses Bone and a few other brands are underneath HeatCraft. And with that, I am going to cut this short. Kind of making this video at wee early hours of the morning. And I'll have to crank out some other ones later on in the week. As always, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment for the video and I'll try to address them. Thanks for watching the videos, and I wish you much success out there.